Everybody, Jana, Classy here. Are you thinking about moving to a new city or even a new state, but wondering how in the world you're supposed to buy a home from hundreds of miles away? You're not alone. I work with out of state buyers all the time, moving to the Eastern Panhandle here. And today I'm walking you through exactly how to buy a home long distance without losing your sleep or your sanity. So let's talk strategy, timelines, and how to make this big move a lot easier. First, know what you want. Before we even talk about neighborhoods or video tours, you got to nail down what you want in a home and what you don't. This is going to be important information for your realtor. Are you downsizing? Looking for land? Need to be within commuting distance to work or near family? What's your must have list? One level home, fenced yard, no HOA? What's a deal breaker? So write it all down. And don't forget the budget. Make sure you've spoken to a lender before you start house hunting. I can connect you with local lenders if you like who know this market. Next, find the right local agent. And this is not the time for your cousin's roommate sister who just got her license. You need someone experienced, local, tech savvy. You'll need an agent who knows the neighborhoods, understands your situation, and can be your boots on the ground because you won't be here for every showing or inspection. Ask if they've helped out of state buyers before. Guess what? I have lots of them. Look for someone who offers virtual tours, regular updates, and clear communication. This relationship is going to be key because they're your eyes and ears. Number three, embrace the power of virtual. Thanks to technology, you don't have to be here to fall in love with a home. A good agent will walk you through homes on FaceTime, send you videos pointing out the pros, the quirks, the creaky floors, and what is that smell moments. You'll also get a feel for the street, the neighbors, and even how close the nearest coffee shop or grocery store is. If you want, I can even show you how far your dog can run in the backyard or how your furniture might fit. For contracts, timelines, and questions, then a Zoom call works just fine. And I'll send you local guides and aerials pointing out where things are so you can feel grounded even from where you live. We worked with a family relocating from Turkey, and much of the process was done over FaceTime. We used video to tour homes, of course, but also to show them different neighborhoods so they could get a true sense of where they might want to be. Once they narrowed it down and picked a home, we even did a FaceTime drive from the house to nearby shopping areas so they could see what everyday life might look like for them. And here's the thing, we didn't avoid any areas, even ones they might not end up liking. That's not the goal. The goal is to give a full, honest picture so you can make a smart decision based on what's really there, not just the highlight reel. So they ended up making an offer while still in Turkey with key contingencies built in to protect them, which I'll go over a little later in this video. When they arrived, saw the house and the area, they loved all of it, thank goodness. I was nervous a little bit because it is better to see the house in person if at all possible. But this worked out great. So if you are thinking of moving to this area from out of state, it is best to visit and see everything for yourself. So plan a smart scouting trip. If you can come visit in person, even for a weekend, do it. But plan it right. Let your agent line up several homes that check your boxes so you can maximize your time. And also use this trip to get a feel for the community. Look around at different neighborhoods. I'll point out traffic patterns, amenities, and let you know if that peaceful looking spot turns into a drag strip every Saturday night. If time's tight, I'll help you focus on the homes that truly meet your needs. No fluff. And this is important. Contingencies are your best friend. When you're buying from a distance, contingencies are what protect you from buying a lemon, or worse, buying a lemon you've never seen in person. Your inspection contingency gives you the right to back out or negotiate repairs if something major comes up, like a cracked foundation, a roof that's ready to retire. An appraisal contingency helps make sure you're not overpaying. If the home doesn't appraise at the agreed price, you can negotiate or walk away. And a financing contingency gives you a safety net in case your loan hits a snag. No one wants to lose their deposit over a paperwork hiccup. So think of contingencies as your travel insurance, but for your real estate deal. I'll walk you through each one so you know exactly what's covered and where you've got wiggle room. And then 5, making the offer from afar. And yes, you can absolutely make an offer without being here. We'll go over the comparables, craft a strong offer, and I'll send you everything so that you can sign electronically and it'll be secure. I'll guide you through the process just like I would if you were local, negotiating, coordinating inspections, making sure nothing gets missed. Inspections, you'll get a full report and photos, and I can attend on your behalf. Appraisal, same thing. You don't have to be here unless you want to. And if you need help with insurance or utilities, I've got checklists, local contacts, and even advice on who makes the best pizza around here, because that's the standard meal for moving. And then finally, closing and moving. Here's where it all becomes real, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. You can usually close remotely using a mobile notary, or you can do a mail away closing. I'll work with your lender and title company to make it smooth. Cardinal Title, which is part of Samson, has helped lots of people close remotely. As your move-in day gets closer, I can check in on the house, even do a pre-move-in walkthrough to make sure the seller left it in broom clean condition. And when you arrive, I can meet you at the door with keys and a welcome to West Virginia survival kit. And that'll be coffee, stress snacks, chocolate included. So yes, you can buy a home long distance, but it's not something to do alone. This is an activity where you need a good realtor. If you are thinking about relocating here in the Eastern Panhandle, reach out. I've got guides, videos, a whole system to help you land in the right place, the right home, and with your sanity intact. So hit that subscribe button if you want more information about this area or tips about relocating, buying, and settling into life here. And if you've got questions, drop them down there in the comments or reach out. Love to hear from you. Okay. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, and have a great week.